Let's look at the steps for creating a new online test. To access, select Assessment on the main menu. On the Assessment page, select the New Test button. On the Create a Test or Quiz page, give your new test a title. The subject is already indicated. Indicate a minimum and maximum grade level. These will usually be the grade level that you are teaching. You can also indicate a time limit for the test. Select the display options for the test. Do you want to allow students to cross out answers? Do you want to randomize question order? Then indicate any online tools to make available to the students, like the highlighter and notepad. The answer viewing drop-down list indicates what students can view after completing their test. You can indicate that they can see their answers or not. Indicate more parts of your test by selecting the More Options and Tags link. You can customize the test introduction, add a description, or specify an audience for the test, such as gifted students or English language learners. When you have completed the test settings, select the Submit button to create the test. Now you're ready to add questions to your new test. Select the Add New button. You have the option to create your own question or select one from the existing question banks. Let's create a new question first. Select Question from the list. First, select a question type. Options include multiple choice, fill in the blank, and matching. We'll create a multiple choice as an example. You will indicate all parts of the question. Enter the question in the question text field. Click the Show Tools link to format your question. Then type in your answer choices. You can format this text as well. Indicate the correct answer on the right. Notice that the Randomize Answer option is selected. When you have completed entering the question, enter a new point value in the Points field. To indicate the metadata for the question, select the Show Tagging Options link. You can tag the standards indicated in the question, indicate the grade level, taxonomy, and keywords. This metadata can be used to search for the question later. To preview the question, select the Preview Question button. Select the Save Question button to save the question and return to the test. Select the Save and Create Next button to save the question and start creating a new one. As you add questions, they are listed on your test page. When adding questions, you can also add existing questions you have saved in your test library. Choose a question bank by selecting the title. The list of questions from the question bank are listed on the page. You can filter the list further by indicating the grade level, the standard, or keyword. Select a question from the question bank, then select the plus icon to add it. Continue adding questions to your test. You can go back and edit questions and change their order. Select the Preview button to look at the test as it will appear to your students. To assign the test, select the Assign to Class button. Select how you want to schedule the online test for your students. You can turn the test on and off manually to have students take the test during class, or you can schedule the test on the calendar so students can go in and take the test at any time during the indicated period. The test is assigned to all the students in the current class by default. To select particular students, select the All Students link. You can select specific students by name or filter by their current grade. Select Choose Students to assign this test to the current class. Select the Assign to Class button. The test now appears in the current list of assigned tests for this class. This concludes our guide to creating a new online assessment. Be sure to refer to other help materials for more information about the Open Court Reading Program.